Myself Pankaj, I am taking care of the product management and marketing in Fuji Electric India. I am based out of Pune and I lead the complete marketing strategies, product management strategy, what kind of solution we need to push to the market with respect to the market requirement, customer expectation and customer point of view, what will benefit to them. So I take care of the complete product strategy, product roadmaps, product management and marketing strategy over here. I am working and associated with the data center from last 15 years. I started my career with the data center industry and now I'm pushing the good products over there over a period of 15 years. I have pushed it over here. Data center market is booming. You know very well, right from last 2 to 3 years, it has been booming because of digitalization or the growing consumer demands in anything. If you come from the statistic point of view, Indian data center market today is close to 700 megawatt of either IT capacity, and it is going to be expected and forecasted it will further add the 800 million megawatt in next 3 to 4 years. In terms of footprint, today we are at a 700 million footprint, and it is going to add further 890 million square of footprint. And if you are from the holistic next 10 years prospect, India will become a 3,000 megawatt over a period of time, and that's what the opportunity which we see as a growing market and growing customer base also for. The biggest challenge which industry faces today is the sustainability, which they want to see as a and they want to associate their goals with the climate goals also, because they want to improve their sustainable objects also, which is the major challenge over there, and how to improve the PUE of their data center, yeah, that's the power users effectiveness. As on, if you ask me today, that major data center operated at the 1.7 as the PUE, we are trying to help them to come down that PUE to 1.3 to 1.35 level over there. We have a products right ranging from the grid to chip over there. We have UPS, we have power distribution, we have static switches, we have harmonic filter, along with our automation solution also. Our most of the products are designed to tune to give the more efficiency, which can bring the sustainability also, and which can improve your PUE also. As being a Fuji Electric as a pioneer in the semiconductor industry, so we know semiconductor how it works. So our products having a failure rate of less than 1%, which helps to improve their uptime also and to meet their challenges and pain areas also.